Welcome to our video on the transformative power of forgiveness, embracing second chances for personal growth and healing. In this video, we will explore how forgiveness can impact our well-being, foster stronger connections, and ultimately lead to a harmonious life. Join us as we delve into the profound benefits of forgiveness through personal anecdotes, case studies, and practical strategies. Forgiveness is often underestimated as a tool for personal growth and healing. It goes beyond simply letting go of past hurts and making amends with others. Scientific research and psychological theories have shed light on the psychological and emotional benefits of forgiveness, showcasing its ability to contribute to individuals' well-being and foster stronger connections. Practicing forgiveness is not synonymous with forgetting or condoning the actions that cause pain. It is a conscious decision to release negative emotions tied to a specific event or person. Research indicates that forgiveness can reduce feelings of anger, anxiety, and depression, thereby promoting psychological well-being. Furthermore, forgiveness is intricately linked to empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When we forgive, we develop the capacity for empathy by acknowledging the imperfections in ourselves and others. Let's explore a personal anecdote that exemplifies the transformative power of forgiveness. Jane, a woman who endured years of torment from her abusive father, initially struggled with the concept of forgiveness. However, she embarked on a journey of healing and sought therapy. Through guided forgiveness exercises and the compassionate support of her therapist, Jane found solace and a sense of liberation. Now, let's discuss some practical strategies for incorporating forgiveness into our daily lives. Self-reflection, seeking support, practicing empathy, and gratitude are all important aspects of the forgiveness process. In conclusion, forgiveness and second chances hold the power to transform our lives. By embracing forgiveness, we open ourselves to personal growth, well-being, and stronger relationships. Through scientific research, psychological theories, and real-life examples, we have explored the profound impact of forgiveness on healing and personal development. Let us embrace forgiveness and second chances, allowing it to shape our lives with compassion and understanding.